This is absolutely insane. This has to be one of the best Land Rover Discovery hardtops I've ever seen. Now, we do sell any amounts of hardtop vehicles here, but then every so often we'll get one and we think, wow. In every single way does this car just turn heads. It looks fantastic, it has the best engine, and it's in the best specification. So let me just tell you a little bit about this car. This is a hardtop Discovery with the rear seat conversion already done in Santorini black. It's on a 2024 74 registration, but the price on the screen that you see is a price that you pay. There's no VAT with this car. Now that can be very much beneficial to a lot of my clients out there who aren't VAT registered but still want a hardtop vehicle. This is it, and this is not boring, it's the opposite scale to that. Santorini black is a metallic black, looks amazing. The black styling package, but then this has had the full, genuine urban conversion. Not some of these bits that have been added on. This costs thousands upon thousands, and what a difference it does make. Urban do a fantastic job when it comes to converting their vehicles, and you can see right away with the front bumper. You've got carbon everywhere, the detailing, the styling. It looks very much bespoke quite clearly. But then you have the Fusion Blue LED daytime running lights, more LED down below. Like I said, this is carbon, the front splitter is carbon fibre, and then you have the gloss black as well. The black grille, full LED headlights. The car does come with air suspension. Front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system, and then you've got the UC-8 wheels on. They're 23-inch in size, and they are finished in satin black. But again, completely changes the way this car looks. It fills the arches, everything is colour coded. You've then got the urban badging right on the corner there, built into the carbon fibre if you look, and that's a nice little touch. You've got the Discovery side venting, side steps, sun protection glass, gloss black roof rails, comfort access, and because this is the dynamic HSE, with regards interior specification, it's got everything. So just again, from the outside, it looks $1 million, but on the inside, you don't want a boring van, you don't want just a bland car. This being the HSE, you have the upgraded leather with the white stitching, perforated seats, heated and ventilated seats, the big screen navigation, dual zone climate control, full multifunctional steering wheel, which I'll show you in a few seconds as I go around. If you come back to the door card, you'll see the extended leather. You'll see it's got the Meridian surround sound system because it's the HSE. The D350, remember, is the 3-litre, 350 brake horsepower, makes a massive difference. Now in the back, this is where you really will get shocked. You can obviously see the seat conversion. We'll go there in 2 seconds. Look at this area. Whenever a hardtop vehicle has put the seats back in, the windows back in, normally the finish on it is terrible. This one is perfect. And it's also had the rear window regulators put back in again, so normally these switches aren't active, there aren't even switches there. This one you have got the regulators back in again, handles to close with, full urban mats, and then you have the urban seats, if you can see just here. That means that the good quality seats with the perforated leather, white stitching, and use this handle here to then drop it back down again. It's that simple. Now being the hardtop means you have lots of lockable space in the back, charging ports down below just there, and it's in a fantastic condition. The car's done 9,000 miles on a 74 registration, remainder of the manufacturer's warranty until it turns 3 years old. Right, at the top here you have this urban rear spoiler. Again, everything that's done by Urban has the Urban badging, and you can see the detailing. It's such refined bodywork that they've done as a body styling kit. You've then got the centralised plate again, which is quite important, and then you have more carbon fibre. This is a very expensive rear bumper. Full carbon fibre with the twin exhausts, and that makes a difference. The electrics on the tow bar, and that's not just a standard tow bar, it's the electric deployable tow bar. So you press one button and it falls away, you press one button again and it comes out. Literally that simple. You've then got all the space in the boot just here, as you can see. And that's a good area to load it up with, so you can still use it for your business and do your daily activities that you need to do. The condition of the car is absolutely stunning. It looks amazing. The mileage, the colour, the specification, the conversion. That conversion from Urban will not have been cheap, but it makes a massive difference. It stands out. And like I say, if you're going to spend this sort of money, you want to be wowed by the car every single time you look at it, and certainly every time you drive it. And that's where the fundamental part comes in. The car from the factory being the HSE, the D350, the colour combination, the crispness, the way this car's been kept is awesome. Adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, paddle shift, full digital dashboard, and then you have your media system with a 360 camera system as well. Front rear heated windscreen, wireless charging pad, twin cup holders, lots of cubbyhole space under your centre armrest. This car is nothing short of amazing. I absolutely guarantee it to myself that this car will sell over the weekend. I wasn't going to advertise these cars till after the weekend, but I thought, you know what, I do get a lot of my clients who have a few minutes spare over the weekend, so if they see this video and they think, you know what, I want this car, pick the phone up, 10% deposit over the phone and come and collect it within 7 days. It's as simple as that. But do not miss out, because I'd say it's 1 in maybe 500 do I get that look as good as this. And please do your research. The way that we price our cars here, this will be substantially less than another urban converted, rear seat converted Discovery on the market with this engine. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.